Welcome back to It Was Too Long for the Vlog, so I didn't put it in. And right now I'm on my just daily walk to get out of the house. There's a mask ordinance in San Francisco currently, so you actually have to wear a mask when you go out. And I would say I'm testing out a new rig that I have here. The DJI Osmo is right there on a selfie stick, I guess you could call it. And my phone is connected to the selfie stick. And I'm just watching the DJI Osmo through the phone. I noticed that my face goes in and out of focus, and I wonder if it's because I have the mask on. I also am really curious to how the sound is. Speaking like I'm just talking to another person at the other end of this stick. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Enough about that. The next episode is going to Mount Zugspitze. We've gone from one mountaintop in Austria, and now we're going back into Germany because it's the better side, it's higher. It's the highest point of Germany, as noted by a certain general area that's called the top of Germany. We didn't climb that because we didn't have any alpine mountaineering gear, and we also didn't have any like cold weather gear. It was snowing up there, and we just ended up taking the Epsi cable car gondola up to the top of the mountain. It's gorgeous the entire way. All the footage Lynn took is definitely worthy of having its own episode. I mean, the car at the Highline 179 was cool. That went sideways, like the sideways elevator almost. But this gondola ride's just amazing. And speaking of amazing, since you're in the highest point of Germany, you could actually have like this great view of Germany. Should also mention, this mountain is split by the border of Germany and Austria. And you could go to Austria by walking across a bridge on this mountain. Another amazing thing. The views are just gorgeous. Like, everywhere you look is amazing. We got some food up there as well. That was great. Goulash and some like German sweets. Real good meal. I was also able to get a beer because we're gonna be up there for a while. You know, driving in Germany has its ups and downs. You go wherever you want, which is awesome, but I mean, you're driving, so you can't really drink, unfortunately. And I'm not willing to get a DUI in another country, so there's that. But that being said, I've spoken way too far, or too much rather. Let's just go ahead and jump right into it and check out what Lynn has taken her footage on the top of Mount Zugspitze.
Pretty. it just got really quiet. It's still talking to you. Plenty of parking. And bus parking. Look at that. So we have made it to the next place, which is the cable car that goes up a really big mountain. It's in the sun right now, so I don't know how well you can see it, but it's up there. And that's the train that you can take in order to get here. And now we're gonna head on out, get our tickets to ride the cable car. Pretty exciting stuff. This place is beautiful. Apparently, that's considered part of the Alps, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be walking up in the Alps, where there's plenty of snow. So, you know. We'll check in later. Alright, so we are at the Zugspitze, and you can see the trail on this side, and then there's one over on the Austrian side as well. We are on the German side. Pretty neat. Pretty cool. Alright. So you can see the Spitz go up. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be one headed down really soon, but either way, maybe it's just a single track. Anyways, Mom, is there a car? Look at that. Oh, this is totally like Japan where they show you the thickness of the cables. It's crazy. Bearing load. So it's the world's largest or longest thing. And here it is. That's where you purchase the tickets. That's the gift shop. It says, world's highest steel tower for cable cars, world's longest cableway span, world's greatest overall height difference between valley and mountain station. It's pretty cool. Whoop. All right, cool.
They push you in.
Here it comes. Alright, so it looks like our cable car is here, our gondola. Alright, after descent and many stairs, we're at the summit of the It is amazing. Just to give you an idea of where we're coming from. Here's this. And there's this. We came from all the way down there. We just knock some of that snow off. It just floats away. Absolutely beautiful. Here. Oh. Alright. In order to get to the summit. Alright. Let's see how well I can do this. Nice. Cool. There we go. So, I didn't realize this, although it makes sense, but this is the German side. Now I'm on the Austrian side. Birds up here expect food. Makes sense. Oh, souvenirs. You can't actually hike all the way up here. That'd be very impressive though. Let's see. Czech side. Or Czech, wow. This is the Austrian side. This is Austria. See if you put lots of here. Wow. This is cool. Get my names on everything. Audio tour. So I'm on the Austrian side. A stamp over there so you can show that you've been both places. Anyways. it goes. There it goes.